How to log out Facebook from Chrome on Android. So, in order to get this solution, you need to make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. First of all, you need to connect your Android device with the stable internet connection, then open Chrome browser. And on the web address bar, you need to type in facebook.com and search for it. And then once you open Facebook on the Chrome browser, you just have to make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Then in order to log out, you have to tap on three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then when you scroll at the bottom of the screen, you will see the option of logout. Simply tap on logout button, and if you are sure that you want to log out Facebook account, then you need to select yes button. Then as you can see that we have successfully signed out our Facebook account from Chrome on Android. If you wish to log into another account or create new account, you can choose that particular button here and easily log into another account, or you can also create new account. If you wish to remove this account from this page, you can simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and select remove profile. This will remove this account from this page and select remove again. So it has been successfully removed. That is how we log out Facebook from Chrome on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it for more tutorial videos.